Hello everyone, and a very good evening on this our online platform. And we have a wonderful day today because we have a special guest with us, Mr. Rahullah Hassani from Afghanistan. And I also welcome all my speakers from my wonderful country, Bharat. And now I would like to invite Ashok Maurya for a welcome speech.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, all. I, Ashok Maurya from Uttar Pradesh, is welcoming you all in this wonderful platform. I request you all to please turn off your audio. I would say thanks to our today's guest, Mr. Rahullah Hassani sir, for joining us, and our Director Institute, Mr. Prakash sir, and I welcome you all. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Your audio is mute.
Yeah. Okay. So, my dear friend Rahullah Hassani, today I request you please ask questions to our experienced speakers like Kalpana Pathak, Rajkumar, Jaiswal, Pankaj Udaipur, then Shanta Madam, Nageshwar Rao, Ashok Maurya, then
Okay.
Bhagyashree, Papya Tripura, Sheila Madam. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good night. It's a great pleasure to be again at this platform. And thank you, Prakasa, for your invitation. I'm really honored and I'm feeling so much excited that tonight, again, I'm here at this wonderful platform. And tonight, we will discuss about poverty. So it's a really common challenge or life challenge all over the world. So tonight I will have great questions from you wonderful people. We will have fun like conversating together. But I would ask Prakasha that you can help me with the names of these people. It's hard to remember the names. Okay, sir?
Yeah, you can see Kalpana Madam, then Rajkumar, Santa Madam, Ashok Maurya,
so
Nageshwar,
first of
Pankaj
all,
Udaipur. Yeah.
okay, I would like to go to Santa ma'am. Santa ma'am.
Good evening,
Santa.
sir. Good evening, sir.
So I hope you're doing well. So as I said, tonight we will talk about poverty or poverty. I would like to ask you, ma'am, what is the definition of poverty?
Okay, sir. Actually, poverty means the state of being poor. That is dictionary definition, sir.
Okay.
But poverty is the complete lack of the means to meet basic personal needs such as food, clothing, and shelter. And in my own words, if an individual is unable to feed his family with 3 meals, that is called poverty. Sir? Hello, sir.
Excellent. Super.
Okay. Yeah. That yeah. I can hear that was. Did you hear my question?
Okay. Can you hear him?
Santa
Anybody?
ma'am?
Can anybody hear?
No, sir, we
No,
can't.
sir,
Voice
no.
is breaking.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Voice is breaking.
There
Voice
might
is
be a
not clear.
network problem over there.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay,
Mm,
Sarita ma'am, can you hear now? Can you hear now?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I said what
we can't hear, sir. We can't hear you.
Your voice is breaking.
of problems
Your
do
voice
the
is continuously breaking.
Hmm.
Okay, now
so
So maybe
what
there is some
kind
network
of
issue.
problems?
There is network issue from your side, I think.
wait a minute, wait a minute.
Kind of problems do the poor people have? Ma'am? Problems do the poor people have? Ma'am?
Can you repeat the
So
question?
I said, what kind of problems do the poor people have?
Problems, they have social problems, economical problems, and educational problems. Problems are so many problems they are facing, sir.
Mhm. Okay, tell people are hungry.
Hello, sir.
Why people are hungry? I said,
So we can't listen you properly.
We are unable to.
Yeah.
We are unable
okay,
to
I
hear
said,
you, sir.
okay, why people are hungry?
Because of their poverty, they are hungry, sir. But some people earn enough income, but they spend their income on unnecessary pleasures such as alcohol and gambling. That's why they are also becoming poor.
Hmm.
Hello, Ruhula sir, are you there?
Okay, so I think he got disconnected from, then he will reconnect with us again. So really, Santa madam, your answer was so nice. When we don't get sufficient food, when we cannot provide sufficient food for our family and some needs, basic needs, we are not able to provide our family, then we can say we are below the poverty line or we are poor. So can you hear me? Or you have also problem with me? Yeah.
Yes.
No,
No,
sir.
no, no problem.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Sir.
You are perfect, sir.
Yeah, now he is reconnecting with us. So it was really nice answer from Shanta madam. Very nice definition.
Thank you.
Definition was given by Shanta madam.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, so now Rahulullah Hassan is again with us, and yeah, hello. Yeah,
Yes, I can hear, sir. Your voice is not clear, sir.
Same problem, sir.
Can you hear?
No, sir.
Network issue is there, I think.
Yes.
Sir, can
Reconnect again.
now he has tried
okay,
again,
guys,
but
can you?
Network is too weak there, sir.
okay.
That's why we can't hear him.
So can you wait 5-10 minutes more? Then meanwhile we can do something.
Yes, of course, sir.
Okay, sir, that's better.
Roller sir should be firstly Sorry,
Can
sorry.
you?
Airplane mode. After that, again we can join because we can if you will have airplane phone on the airplane mode, that's he can provide a fast network.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That,
Yes, yes. This is a not
it is
permanent.
not a permanent solution, but yeah, yeah. Actually, there is network problem. Network is too weak there,
Yeah.
and
There
there is a
network
solution for that.
problem. Yeah.
Okay, so no problem. Let's start our program then.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And meanwhile, he will get solution. Okay. So as usual, you know that we are going to start our session with revision, and you can see on the screen revision. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Today also we
Yes,
are
sir.
going to start with the same topic. Okay. Get plus object plus V3. Get plus object plus V3. So someone else completed the action, okay? So your work is done by other person. Your work is done by other person. Then I don't clean my car. Yesterday I explained these two examples. I don't clean my car. My car is cleaned by Shankar Nepali. So how can I make sentence by using this situation? I get my car cleaned. Past participle. I get my, because this is the daily routine, daily part of my life. So my car is clean today. So what is the situation of my car today? It's clean, but why? What is the reason? Because I got my car cleaned yesterday.
Yes.
I have also added some more sentences today. So we don't cut our hair ourselves. Yes or no? We don't cut our hair ourselves because we don't have skill. Someone else cuts our hair. Got it? So in that situation, we can say we get our hair cut. So cut is
Sure.
also past participle. That's why we use cut. But this cut is PP, means past participle, third form of the verb. We get our hair cut. My laptop was not working properly yesterday. So I don't know how to fix my laptop. So I went to shop. Okay. Then what happened? I got my laptop fixed, or I got my laptop repaired yesterday. Now can you understand? So action is done
Yes,
by
sir.
other person. Now my car needs service, but I don't know how to service my car. So my car needs service, but today I don't have time. So I'm using the structure in future tense. I will get my car serviced tomorrow. So get plus object plus past participle. Now Kirti Bara, is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So again, I want 3 sentences by using the structure, and who is ready to make 3 sentences now?
Rajkumar is ready, sir.
Yeah, Rajkumar.
I am ready.
Yes, thank you, sir. I get my room painted. I get my room painted yesterday morning. I went to market and I got my hair cut. There I have seen people were waiting for their car getting repaired. After that, I came to room and found that we got our salary. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's good.
May I, sir?
Yes, madam.
Thank you, sir. I get plants planted besides the road. I get pray sang by Ria. I got my card printed. Uh, my garden looks beautiful because I got trim the trees of my garden.
Okay.
So
Very-
may I?
In future,
Yeah.
for one,
Yeah, madam.
I will get your book typed after a week or printed.
Yeah, Ruchi.
So may I?
Yeah, very nice, madam. We have practiced a
Thank
lot
you, sir.
today.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Ruchi.
I get my garden trimmed.
Yeah.
I got my pool cleaned yesterday. I will get my new dress by my mother. I will get my new dress by my mother.
No, no. I will get my new dress. Then you have to
By
use
my
verb
mother.
there. No, 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 no. That is little bit difficult
Charge
for
me
to
the
say.
Lord.
Yeah, there is a problem with your last sentence.
Okay.
Sir, Kiriti, can I say?
Yeah, Kirti Barai, then Jyoti Raga be ready.
Okay. I got my phone repaired. I got my bike painted. And I got my clothes. Sorry, I got my clean clothes.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, now Sheila madam.
Hello.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My first sentence is, I don't write this Java program. This Java program is written by my colleague. My second sentence is, I get this Java program written. And my third sentence is, this program is written today again because I got this Java program wrote yesterday.
Written.
Okay.
I got my Java program written yesterday.
Okay.
V3. We have
Okay,
to
thank you,
use
sir.
past participle here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pankaj Udaipur.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Then we are going to. Yeah, Jyoti Raga. Sorry, Jyoti Raga. Then Pankaj Udaipur be ready.
Thank you. Good evening, all. My first sentence is, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you. Will I get a confirmation mail of my car servicing? And second one, I got surprised when I received call from our Prime Minister. I called Swati so many times, but her number getting busy.
Okay.
I got my phone switched off due to less power supply, low power supply.
Okay, so Jyoti, you have made, yeah, you have made 9 sentences, but this is different structure. Okay. You are using get as a verb, and we are learning get plus object plus V3. Means the action is done by other person. Your work is done by other person. That is our structure. Very simple example I want to say you. Okay, if you want to get married, then you need the invitation cards. So you are not going to print. So you will get invitation cards printed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Somebody printed.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So now let's go to the news. Yeah, Pankaj Udaipur.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. My sentence is I get my dinner prepared. My dinner is prepared today because I got my dinner prepared by my wife. I will get my scooty service tomorrow. That's it, sir.
Okay. So someone is making noise in background. So I request, please turn off your audio. Okay. So you are supposed to turn off your audio while you are not speaking. So now our next structure is you are not supposed to. Okay. You are not supposed to disturb others during this Zoom meeting. So you are not supposed to. And yesterday we practiced duty, responsibility, and obligation. You are supposed to turn off your audio while you are not speaking, and you are supposed to be at your office before 10 a.m. You are supposed to teach well because you get your salary for working here. So that is your responsibility, that is your duty, that is your obligation. Is it clear?
Yes.
So who can make 2 sentences by using this structure? Duty, responsibility. Just focus on your topic. Which is your topic now? Duty, responsibility, and obligation. By using this one, you have to make sentence. Okay, Papia Tripura.
Sir, negative
Yes, sir.
sentence or positive?
Negative, positive, anything you can say.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
sir.
my first sentence is I am supposed to help my friends during their bad situation. And the second one is a computer supposed to help people to do their jobs quickly, work quickly. Sorry. So, and the third one is uh, we are supposed to help the poor people.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That's all.
Yeah.
May I?
Yeah.
May I, sir?
Ashok Maurya, then
Okay.
Yes, sir.
May I? Yes, sir.
yeah, Ashok
Kill wild
Maurya,
animal.
then Alok Jaina.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. My first sentence is, you are not supposed to eat junk food. You are not supposed to kill wild animals. You are not supposed to talk while eating. These were my 3 sentences, sir.
Okay, very nice. Alok Jaina.
Yes, sir.
So may I?
Yeah, Supersri, be
I am
ready after
supposed
that.
to. I am supposed to walk every day. I am supposed to polite to the junior.
I am supposed to be polite with junior. I am supposed to be.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, Subhasri last. Then we are going to learn new function of the supposed to today.
Okay.
Yeah, turn on your audio.
We are not supposed to use Chinese apps to support our army. We are not supposed to create disturbance here by creating noise.
That's good. That's good. And we are not supposed to use Chinese items. That is also responsibility. That is our duty for our country. So we are not supposed to use Chinese items. Okay. But still we are using Chinese application. It is useful for us.
No, sorry. This is not Chinese application. This is an US application. Zoom.
Sir, if you can, then you can use
Yes, sir. Zoom is not a Chinese
application.
This is US.
Okay, that's
No,
good
it is
then.
not from US. It is Chinese app.
So may I?
Its owner
Okay.
is from US.
Okay. Now let's go to intention and purpose. Okay, today we are going to learn the second function of be used to, that is called your intention and purpose. We all do anything for purpose. We buy anything for its purpose, for its function. Okay, so what is a laptop supposed to do? Means what are the functions of laptop? So it is used to do many things. Like you can say so many things.
Mainly we do for computation.
Yeah. What is your car supposed to do? Why you buy car? What are the functions? What is the purpose of buying a car? Then a car is supposed to travel faster, but it is not supposed to race. Yes or no? Your car. What is the function? What is the purpose of buying your car?
Yes. For travel. Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
If your car is supposed to travel faster and comfortably.
Yeah. So we
Sir,
can
he
use
said
a car
something.
is supposed to travel faster, but it is not supposed to race. Got it? So purpose, that is not the purpose of buying a car. To participate in a race for you?
No.
Yeah. So now
Sir,
who
1
can make-
minute.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, what's the problem? Rajkumar Jaiswal.
Sir, I was taking snapshot. Thank you.
May I?
Okay, now who wants to make sentences by using purpose?
Yes, sir. I want to.
May I, sir, one?
Okay,
Sir.
Kalpana madam, then Kirti Barai be ready.
Okay. What is calculator supposed to do?
Okay.
Sir. Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Then Akbar Alam be ready.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, Kirti
Hello,
Barai,
sir.
then Akbar Alam.
Okay. My phone is purpose to talk with people.
Yeah.
Not for purpose for time passing.
And playing
Okay, sir.
games. Playing games on mobile.
And my
It is not supposed to. It is not supposed to play
It is
games.
not supposed to play game on mobile,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. It has so many uses. Okay, good. Akbar Alam.
Yes, sir. After one person, I will be ready.
Okay, Ravindra Prasad.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. While this class, we are not supposed to disturb anyone. Is it right?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. That's it, sir. This is my first day today.
Yeah.
So internet is not support to wasting the time.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, who is speaking?
Sir, may I?
Okay, Ruchi.
So may I?
Microwave is supposed to
Sajad
cook.
Anwar be ready after that. Yeah, Ruchi.
Yes, sir.
Microwave is supposed to cook by electricity. Aeroplane is supposed to travel faster than train.
Yeah.
Movies is supposed to teach us good messages.
So Ruchi is looking faster. Okay, very nice, Ruchi. You are trying to
Thank you,
make
sir.
sentences.
Thank you.
Good. Where are you from, Ruchi?
I am from Rajasthan, sir.
Okay. That's good. Actually,
May
I
I?
also got married in Rajasthan. Shahzad Anwar.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today is my first day. Sir, we are not supposed to go out in this pandemic.
Yeah.
We are not supposed to waste our life so that's it.
Yeah, our life has a purpose. We all are here on this earth for one purpose. That's why God has given us
Yes, sir, to
the
make it
life.
worth.
But people don't know why we are here.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Okay. So now let's go to the next topic for revision. So over that one is, what is a car supposed to do? A car is supposed to travel. So you have to make 3 sentences next time by using this function. And Monday we are going to learn one more function of be supposed to. Now let's learn I wish I were. So we divided this topic in 3 different subtopics. Yeah, I wish I were, I wish I had, and I wish I could. So this is very simple topic. So who is ready to make sentences? Yeah. I wish I were Ranjana Goswami. Then Geeta madam, be ready.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So, I wish I were a flying fairy. I wish I were a president of China so that I can more polite to others.
Not
I
can.
wish I were.
No, not can. Use past. Could.
Yes, sir.
Because you are talking about
Could,
unreal
yes, sir.
thing. Yeah, this is your imagination.
Yeah, yes, sir.
I wish.
Yes. Yes, sir. So, I wish I were study in FMC. And sir, I wish I had a Ferrari. I wish I had an iPhone. I wish I had a magical house, and I wish I could join army. I wish I could become self-independent. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Very nice. Very nice. Now Geeta madam from Kerala.
Sir, thank you, sir. My first sentence is, I wish I were a bird. I wish I had a laptop. I wish I could fly.
Okay, you could fly.
So may I?
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So, okay, have you observed any good qualities in Geeta madam? She has been coming on this platform for many days. Who has observed good qualities in Geeta madam? Yeah, Pankaj Sudepur.
Me, Jaiswal sir.
She always smiles.
Geeta madam is very down to earth. And one more thing, he is very senior than all of us, but he always trying to be with us. I mean to say, she presents herself like us, very normal and very calm and very cool. And one more thing, I like the accent of Geeta ma'am.
Yeah.
And sir,
Yeah, Shanta madam.
I would like to add.
Yes.
Yeah, Shanta madam, then Ashok Maurya, you can say.
About madam, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, madam is my inspiration, sir, and inspiration to all our platform. And I have observed her from the first day. We didn't give her chance to speak. Even second day also we didn't give chance. Third day we gave chance to her. Even now also she wait until the end of the session, sir. I
Okay.
observed those qualities.
And she never
Nice
tries to
observation,
disturb
ma'am.
us. She never tries to disturb
Yes,
us.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Even we
That's-
don't give the chance.
Yeah. Yeah, Ashok
That's
Maurya.
what yes, sir. What you have said, that's I want to say that she never interrupts in between us.
Yeah.
If you are discussing or speaking something, then she never interrupts that.
Okay.
Like we people, sir, please give me chance, like this.
Yeah, some are trying to disturb us,
sir.
some are trying to interrupt us. But
Thank-
you know, this is my nature. I don't like to insult anybody. That's why I never say anybody you are disturbing us or you are trying to interrupt us.
No, sir.
Thank
Sir,
you, sir.
She is inspiration.
Yeah,
she
she
is
is also my
inspiration to many
inspiration because
people.
I also think when I get 50 years old or 55 years old, what would I do? I imagine like that. So she can be inspiration for all. She has achieved everything. She has a job. She has achieved everything. But though she comes with us on this platform every day, and we should learn some etiquettes and manners from Geeta madam. Really, thank you very much,
Many
Geeta madam, for
people
joining
are
us.
wasting their time.
Thank you,
Many young people
thank you,
wasting-
sir. It is my
wasting
goodness.
their time.
Yeah.
Many
My
people
goodness.
wasting their time. But madam is inspiration to all, especially learning of English language and some education. I appreciate ma'am, especially in this purpose.
No,
Yes,
in my
sir.
Thank you,
opinion, I
thank you
want to
very
say,
much.
in my opinion, I want to say she is here to just give us the inspiration. Learn at this age also. I'm learning at this age, and your age is still, you know, your life is still alive. Means you have to see so many days in your life. So try to learn something in your life and enjoy your life.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you
Okay.
very
That's good.
much.
That's good. So let's start.
I think give up a big hand for
Yeah.
Geeta ma'am
Definitely.
here.
Superb. Superb. Very nice.
Oh, oh, thank you, thank you. I am filled with joy.
Okay. So is it clear? I wish. Is anybody left in this structure? Anybody wants to say?
Yes, may I?
Yeah.
I wish I were mobile. I wish I had long hair. I wish I could write a novel.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay.
Sir,
So
I want to.
very nice.
I want
Now,
to.
actually, I know I want to say something about when I was in hostel. That time I did not have any mobile, but my friend was telling like, I wish I were a mobile. Then I would be in your hand all time. Actually, he was telling to her girlfriend, if I
Wow.
were, then I would stay with you all time. I would stay. This is great
Wow.
imagination.
What a
Actually,
story.
Sir, I want to say something.
yeah.
I read some small girl message. She said that I was a mobile. That I am a mobile. Then my parents always hold me in her hand.
Yeah. So
Yes,
Ruchi,
yes.
your
That
structure
was
is
wonderful
imagination.
story,
Okay,
madam.
that's why you have to use this
So,
structure. If I were a mobile, then my parents
Yeah.
would give me importance.
Yes, sir.
yes.
Would give me. Okay, so
Okay.
this is our structure we are learning. Actually, this structure is really very useful.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And generally we listen this type of structure when highly celebrity or some good person they are speaking. I usually listen the debate at night. After the station, generally I listen the debate. Then generally I found this words there.
Okay. Okay. So if I were an actor, if I were if I were Hrithik Roshan, then definitely I would get married with Kangana Ranaut. I would not make mistake. Got it?
That's right
Yes,
decision.
sir. Yes, sir.
I think
Okay.
it's
So
a
let's go to next
very
structure.
huge joking, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Be about to. With. Actually, these are the examples we can learn easily. Be about to. With to be past and was and were. Yesterday we studied. Yes or no? Be about to.
Yes.
Function.
Yes, sir.
You were going to do something, but another event prevented you from doing it. Then I was about to go to Kerala for completing the course of violin, but my father's bad health, and was not good, so I couldn't go there.
Not good, so I couldn't go there.
My father's health was not good, so I couldn't go there. So now can you understand? Actually, I made my mind to go there. I was about to go to Kerala for completing the course. Okay. Next sentence is, actually we were about to organize KBC 50 on 10th May 2020. You can also see my videos on my Facebook account.